subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Apple has finally launched 4 new smartphones globally called iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Among this 4, the iPhone 15 is the most affordable phone under this series, with quiet, cool-looking design, and it has dynamic island feature. Now let's see the specifications of the iPhone 15 smartphone. The iPhone 15 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, with up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by ceramic shield glass on the top. The phone is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chipset, and it packs with 128, 256, or 512 GB of internal storage. As per the optics, the iPhone 15 sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the pill-shape hole punch at the top center with f1.9 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on iOS 17 out of the box, and it is backed by an unspecified lithium-ion battery that supports MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watts, and QI wireless charging up to 7.5 watts. Additionally, the smartphone features advanced Face ID unlock system for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 147.6 by 71.6 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 171 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iPhone 15 has been priced as follows. The smartphone will be up for pre-orders starting from September 15th, in black, blue, green, yellow, and pink color options. And it is said to go on sale starting from September 22nd. So, what do you guys think of this iPhone 15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.